Patreon versus Skool. So Patreon is a creator membership platform that allows creators to monetize their audience through subscription tiers. Creators offer exclusive content, perks, and community access, early releases, and more in exchange for monthly support. So let's talk about the pros. It offers flexible tier and reward systems for different supporter levels. It also works for a wide range of creators like writers, artists, podcasters, and video creators. It also offers an established platform with a large creator ecosystem, and it supports multimedia content and community integrations. However, there are some cons to consider. The fees reduce your overall earnings. It also requires an audience to subscribe off your primary platform, so it's not built specifically for structured courses or learning communities. Now, School, on the other hand, is a community and membership platform designed for creators who want to build learning focused communities. It is also offering mastermind groups, coaching programs, and structured courses. It combines the forums, courses, and member interaction tools in one place. Now, for the pros, it has a built in community and course structures like classes and modules. It offers gamification features that increase the engagement. It also has and combines social interaction with learning content, and it is an all-in-one member platform for courses, community, and discussions. However, there are some cons as well. The monthly subscription cost can be high compared to Patreon. It is also less flexible for creators focused solely on non-educational content, and it is a less support for varied content types outside of the community and the course context. So overall, choose Patreon if you want a versatile membership platform, and choose School if you are building a learning-centered community. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.